the Hardstyle Snatch and the StrongFirst Snatch. Pavel, he started with Dragon Door, he started RKC, Hardstyle. Then Pavel left and started StrongFirst. First, they all had the same type of things as RKC because it was still Pavel. Over time, they progressed. They got a different movement that they're using. So for the Hardstyle Snatch, it's a hip hinge. A hip hinge is 2 joints, no ankles. So the knees, they bend, the hips, they bend, and you're pushing it back, inserting, pulling out. Now, the StrongFirst Snatch and the clean and the swing, they all now have the ankle bend, which is really what Pavel started with as well. Now, I'm not gonna get into which one is right. For the Hardstyle, personally, I'm gonna stick to the hip hinge. I will do more of a squat movement as well when I want to. So basically, when I want to isolate my glutes and quads more, so you're never isolating completely, but when you want to isolate them more, that's what I refer to when I say isolate more, is what I refer to. When I want to do that, I'll involve as little joints as possible. So if I would do a stiff-legged hip hinge, I'm really isolating. Double joint, you're isolating a little less. 3 joints, you're isolating even less. Okay, you're involving more muscle groups. So as you're involving more joints, you're involving more muscle groups. So things do get easier and you're working more muscles. That's great. But my opinion is that if I want it harder, I will stick to 2 joints. And that's what I want for the Hardstyle Snatch. I want it hard. And if I want cardio or I want to work my full legs, I'll go for more of a squat movement. So I do them, they're all good. I'm just explaining that there is a difference between the RKC, the Hardstyle, and the StrongFirst movement. So RKC is still hip hinge, which is very rigid, no ankles, no movement, shins vertical. StrongFirst, in the swinging movement, I want to see those ankles moving. So even with the swing, it's now like this. They call it an athletic hip hinge, which is a term I don't agree with. It's not an athletic hip hinge, it's a squat. If you're using 3 joints, it's a squat. Whether it's a quarter, half, etc., it's a squat. Anyway, that's besides the point. So I'm just trying to get across my opinion. Of course, you can have your own opinion and you should develop that over time, but I'm explaining this because this is my viewpoint.